Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Mastodon. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need just to search for Mastodon on our web browser and then you will need just to join Mastodon. And all you need to do is either go from here or use this one. They are the same website. So from here you will need just to join the mastodon.social to go to some servers, and basically it will take us to the mastodon.social sign up. So from here you can sign in up, and basically you need just to accept these rules. You can give yourself a username. I'm just going to give myself this username. You can add your address, add a password. You confirm, of course, the password and you sign up. And from here, you will be able to start using Mastodon social media. So now you need just to have your confirmation link. You need just to go to your mailbox and wait for the confirmation link. And this is the Mastodon confirmation. Verify your email address, and you will need just to click on continue and just uh, go to the captcha. And from here, you will need just to answer. You click next and next verify, and you can click on continue, and now you can start using Mastodon. So from here you will find the home page where you can see your activities or the home feed. And basically if you want to post a hello new, for example, you will need just to post it, and you can make it public or quite public, followers, etc. You can go to explore so you can find new posts, you can find new people so you can talk to them, and this is the live feed, or uh, consider it as the public feed, and those are the private mentions, etc. So basically this is how you can use Mastodon. Thank you for watching and see you next time.